Effortlessly generate stunning images with MonsterAPI's SDXL API. AI image generation. Ever tried generating images using AI? I bet you've struggled with high costs and complex GPU infra setup. Uncover how you can effortlessly create stunning images in seconds with MonsterAPI's SDXL API. 1/MonsterAPI.ai is an amazing generative AI platform, which offer APIs to use these AI models for image creation, stable diffusion, for speech-to-text, Whisper, for AI-powered chat, Zephyr 7B, Llama, Falcon, and guess what? It's affordable too. 2/Want to build an AI-powered image generation app using stable diffusion? Usually, you'd have to set up server, GPU infrastructure, scalability, and more. Instead, at MonsterAPI's lets you start right away. 3/How to use it for AI image generation. 1. Visit their SDXL playground, monsterapi.ai/playground/SDXL-base. 2. Enter your prompt. 3. Choose your style and adjust advanced settings as needed. For generating an image, SDXL API. 1. Paste your MonsterAPI key and code as shown in the video below. 2. Run the generate function to get an image with your prompt. You will receive the URLs for the generated images. Learn more here. developer.monsterapi.ai/reference/post_generate-SDXL-base. 5/Why choose MonsterAPI? Scalable APIs, up to 80% lower cost, playground for experimentation and testing, auto model updates with stable diffusion, fine-tune large language models at up to 10x lower cost. 6/The MonsterAPI provides an excellent solution for businesses and developers who are looking for high-quality image generation. No more mediocre results. Try here, monsterapi.ai/playground/SDXL-base. Join their Discord group for the latest updates. Discord link, discord.com/invite. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, repost it to spread the knowledge.